Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in, and I apologize, I am not feeling well, but I wanted to push forward and record this DIY for you guys. I've committed to Saturdays as well as Wednesdays, and so I'm standing by that, and here I am. So thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new, I'm Chanelle Novosey. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I will be back to my normal self on Saturday. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautiful centerpieces for your wedding. You have this one here, which is a vase, and it has some simple flowers on the top. You also have a candlestick holder on the bottom, and I wanted to show you guys how to add light to your event. So I have these beautiful candles from the Dollar Tree as well as these roses, and I'm going to show you how to make both of these. But first, here's the shopping list of what you'll need for today's DIY. So let's get started. So you'll take a candle holder and a candle holder tray, and you'll adhere them together using E6000, or you can use hot glue, and then you'll spray them with this metallic brass spray paint. So while my candlestick holder is dry, I'm going to show you how to make the rest of the DIY. You're going to take your candlestick holders and you're going to take some bling wrap. I got this from Totally Dazzled. It'll be a link in the description box, and I'm going to wrap it around my candles very easily. And then I'm going to cut it using some scissors. And you're just going to do that for all of your candlesticks. You're going to measure around and cut the bling wrap. So next you're simply just going to hot glue your bling wrap around your candlestick holder. Next I'm going to take some floral shears, and I'm going to cut off about 2 inches down on my flowers. Then you'll take your styrofoam wreath and you're going to add your flowers all the way around. So then I'll add some more roses to the inside as well. I'm going to take this floral foam that I also got from the Dollar Tree. There are 2 pieces of 4.8 inches by 0.75 inches. I'm going to add it to the bottom of my wreath and around my roses. And I'm simply just going to place my candles right on top of there. And this is the final product. This is what it's going to look like, and this is going to be a centerpiece or just simply adding candles to your wedding. So next I'll be taking the items that I spray painted and I'm going to glue them together. I'm going to be using some E6000 to adhere them together. Next, you'll be needing a base from the Dollar Tree as well as some Mod Podge and some gold glitter as well as a painter sponge, and I'm going to apply a technique to the vase. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Mod Podge and I'm going to apply it to my painter's brush, and from bottom to top I'm just gently going to stroke the Mod Podge onto my vase and bring it up to different angles. And you don't want this to get dry because it will. And I'm simply just going to add some glitter right on top. And I'm just going to blot some Mod Podge down on top of the glitter. And I'm actually going to make the glitter with a straight line instead of it being zigzag. And here's what it will look like afterwards. You're just going to allow this to dry. Next I'm going to take some more of this styrofoam and I'm going to glue it down to this candle holder, and there's 2 pieces in here. I'm going to hot glue them to each other as well. Next you'll take some more of your roses and I'm going to add them to the styrofoam base. I'm also going to add flowers to the top of my styrofoam. So here's what it looks like once you went ahead and you added all of your roses to your styrofoam, and I've placed the vase right in the center. If you add water to this and add a floating candle on top, it gives your centerpiece a beautiful touch. You can also take some longer stem roses. I got these from Walmart. They were $3 for a bouquet, and you can cut the stems and you can add them right into your vase. And here are the finished products. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's DIY. Again, I apologize for my tiredness and my low energy. I think I'm gonna get better very soon here, so keep me in your prayers. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also check out my previous videos, and I'll see you on Saturday's DIY. Have a blessed one. Bye.